If you're starting gel nails at home, the products can get confusing really fast. Gel color, builder gel, rubber base, UV lamps, primer, dehydrator, cleanser. Suddenly you're 47 Amazon tabs deep, wondering if you accidentally signed up for nail school. And honestly, social media makes it feel like you need an entire salon setup just to paint your nails. But the good news is, you really don't. So in this video, I'm going to show you the gel products you actually need as a beginner and the ones you can absolutely skip for now. Welcome back to the Home Nail Studio. If you've been following the Beginner Gel Nail series, we already covered safe gel removal and beginner nail prep. So today we're focusing on the actual gel kit you need before gel polish application. For a basic gel manicure, you really only need 4 main things: a UV lamp, a base coat, a top coat, and a gel color. That's it. No giant mail haul required. First comes your base coat. This goes directly onto the natural nail and helps the gel system adhere properly. For demonstration, I'm using a practice nail. And as you can see, the nail has already been prepped and buffed, so the surface is matte, just like we covered in the previous tutorial. That prep step is super important because gel polish sticks much better to a properly prepped nail. Now the job of the base coat is to create a slightly tacky layer so the gel polish can grip onto the nail and last longer without lifting. Think of it like double-sided tape, but for your manicure. Good prep still matters the most, but the base coat is what helps everything hold together. Next is your gel color. This is the actual polish shade. And for your first color, I really recommend choosing something simple. A soft nude, sheer pink, milky white, or neutral shade is way easier to learn with than a super dark or bold color. Because when you're learning, you're also learning brush control, how thick your layer should be, how much product to use, and trust me, mistakes show up very fast with black gel polish. Simple shades are just a lot more forgiving. And you definitely do not need a huge gel polish collection in the beginning. 1 or 2 colors are honestly more than enough while you learn the technique. I've been doing my own gel nails for over 6 years now, and even today I mostly rotate between the same 2 or 3 favorite shades and mix them together to create custom colors. So don't feel pressure to buy a giant 40 color kit right away just because TikTok told you to. Next, you need a top coat. This is what seals everything in and gives the nails that glossy, finished look. And honestly, the top coat is kind of the most satisfying part. Like the second it goes on, the manicure suddenly looks complete. There are different types like wipe-off top coats, no-wipe top coats, matte top coats, and more. But as a beginner, I would definitely recommend starting with a no-wipe top coat because it makes the process way easier. And finally, you'll need a lamp. Gel polish does not air dry like regular nail polish, so you need a UV or LED lamp that works with your gel products. When you're choosing one, I would look for a lamp that fits your full hand comfortably, has timer settings, and works with the type of gel you're using. And always follow the cure times mentioned on your gel products. Usually the packaging or product listing will tell you exactly how long each layer needs to cure. Another really helpful part of a beginner gel kit is something for cleanup. You can use alcohol or a gel cleanser depending on your products. This helps with cleansing the nail before application, wiping the sticky layer if needed, and cleaning around the nail before curing. And I highly recommend keeping a small cleanup brush nearby because at some point gel will touch your skin. It happens to literally everyone when they start. So if that happens, just dip the brush into a little alcohol or cleanser and clean it up before curing. And honestly, this tiny step makes such a huge difference in how neat and professional your manicure looks. Clean cuticle lines instantly make nails look more expensive. Now let's talk about the products beginners usually feel pressured to buy. First, dehydrator and primer. These can absolutely be helpful for some people or certain gel systems, but they are not magic products. They do not replace proper prep, thin layers, or correct curing. And honestly, even after doing gel nails for over 6 years, I still don't personally use them. For me, with careful prep and application, my manicures can last over 3 weeks without lifting. You'll also hear a lot about builder gel. Builder gel is completely different from regular gel polish. It's used for adding strength, structure, or length to the nails. But if you're brand new to gel, I would honestly skip builder gel for now and focus on learning basic gel polish application first. Rubber base is also optional. Some people absolutely love it, but you do not need it on day one if you're just learning how to do a basic gel manicure. You'll still need basic prep tools and removal supplies, but I already covered those those in my nail prep and gel removal videos. So I'll link those below if you want the full beginner setup. But if you're building your very first gel nail kit, keep it simple. A base coat, one gel color, a top coat, a lamp, alcohol or cleanser, and a cleanup brush. That's genuinely enough to start learning gel nails at home. And in the next video, we're going to use this exact beginner kit and move into actual gel polish application step by step. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.